Hi everyone. Today I cleared my driving test. I'm really happy, and many thanks to the my instructor Alif for this. And he taught me a lot of things to overcome the nervousness and all the tips for the driving, and easily explain the things which I could able to implement during my driving test. And all the classes were like very practical. I could able to accommodate because I had some other country driving experience, which I have to unlearn few things, learn all the UK rules, and drive accordingly. So all the things helped here with the instructor knowledge and her guidance, his guidance. So thanks to the team, I mean Aleph and Road Skills Driving School. And today driving test was good. There is only one minor for leaving the signal for too long. That's one minor, so I'm happy that I cleared with one minor. And thanks, many thanks. I'd recommend everybody to go for Road Skills Driving School and get your certificate like me.